So another day comes to an end after quite the exciting day we had, weather-wise at least. Had a nice storm, had enough rain to keep the garden watered for a couple of days. But that's not actually why I'm here. What I wanted to show you was, sorry, allergies. What I wanted to show you was something I was putting together. It's not an original idea, I'm not going to pretend it is, but I had a bunch of fence left over. Sorry about that. I had a bunch of fence left over from that hoop house over there. And what I decided to do was turn it into compost areas, if you will. So I built two. Built that one yesterday. I built this one this morning. So the idea is to combine kitchen scraps, grass clippings, leaves, because I do have a pile of leaves still. Can't see it from here. I have a pile of leaves still. So just intermingling it. Basically what it's been is I've been putting my, I guess, kitchen scraps into my green bin. And you know, why should I make compost for someone else when I can make it for myself? So that's what these are. Now, these will take about a year to break down properly, but if I'm estimating, they're about 3 feet in diameter and roughly, I want to say 4 feet high. They're not going to be full, but they will be about 2/3 full. And of course, as it starts to break down, it will reduce. So I have two, but the chances are that I get to the second one anytime soon are very small. Very small. By the way, in the background, there's the chicken coop. You might be able to, if you don't mind, take a look at the chicken coop tour that I put on earlier today. And I got to show you the sky one more time. Just beautiful. I wish I could paint as beautiful as nature can. Anyway, thanks everybody. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.